of how Attunity Visibility helps to discover unused or infrequently used data to help you retain and optimize the most relevant data, as well as offload and archive unnecessary data. As you can see in this dashboard, Visibility provides an overall summary of data utilization across multiple servers, databases, as well as tables. In this demonstration, I'll focus on the table usage. The first thing I notice is that a very small sliver of data is actually being used very frequently by the end users. And there's a large percentage of data, almost representing 61% of tables, that are completely unused within your environment. I can get more details about it by simply selecting the unused tables and drilling down on it. And now I can see that I have almost 7.1 terabytes of unused data within my system. Unused data at this point means that data that doesn't have any kind of query activity, no selects or inserts or updates or any kind of activity, because I really haven't added any filters other than looking at overall utilization over a particular date range. Now I can further refine this analysis, and before I do so, let me explain what I see on this dashboard. The tree map shows the different databases that have unused tables within it. Each color represents a database, and the size of the area of the database is indicative of the amount of data that's unused within the particular database. I can now go ahead and refine the analysis. For example, I may want to identify unused data that's never had a select statement against a particular table. It may have an insert or an update, but to me, in our assessment, it may mean that an unused data means it does not have a select statement. So we can go into the filter set here, select statement facts, select statement type, and then I can add the statement type of interest. For example, I can say select here, so I'm doing the analysis for data that does not get any kind of a select statement. So I would apply it, and notice that the amount of data that is unused increased from 7 terabytes and almost doubled to 14 terabytes, because now I've narrowed my analysis of unused data to only look for data that does not get a select statement. Then I can drill down on the details for any database I care about. For example, if I select this particular database and zoom in on that particular database, I can see the number of tables or the specific tables within the database within a tree map. So it allows me to see where are the large tables that are unused. And then there are some smaller tables that I may not care about, but you can visually see this through a tree map. And then you can also get the details within the grid here. And there's a third way to get more details by simply exporting the entire set of tables that are unused for a particular databases into a CSV format and open it up in, say, Excel as well. So in this brief demonstration, you saw how Visibility allows you to discover unused or infrequently used data to help you retain and optimize the most relevant data, as well as offload or archive unnecessary data as well. And this capability is available across multiple platforms, including Teradata, Netezza, DB2, Oracle Exadata, as well as Hadoop, all through a single console.